Oh, hello there guys, just a quick update on the plot, what's going out. Got a couple of cucumbers in there today, got netting around them, probably can't see it on the video but it's there. And the cooking apple tree, it's really coming into its own now. And lots of apples starting to form. See another one there, so that's good news. Can't see any pears on here yet. Got a bit of a infestation of something there. Just noticed that. I don't know what that is. There's no pears coming yet. A bit early, I know. Still. There's the blackcurrants. They're really starting to come in now. Got a couple of sweet peppers down there. Couple of gherkin plants here. This one refuses to stay covered up, so I'll just put that there. Then we have the eating apple tree. That's starting to come in. Underneath here there is cabbages and cauliflowers, which some of them have been eaten. Got broad beans there, fava beans, red onions, which have started to bolt, so I had to pull them off. Pickle and onions are doing okay. Strawberries are starting to come in. Got to get some wood chip around them. But just don't have the time today. Main crop potatoes and first early potatoes. Turnips down there. Some little gem lettuce, white onions and beetroot there. Sorry about the wind, folks, but it's quite breezy down here today, which is why I've got to put the wood chip under the strawberries, because the netting would be hell to get back on again. So, and just in case you've never seen one, these in here were French breakfast radishes, and one has gone to flower. So if you've never seen one, there you go. He's in there. He's in there. And then coming on into here. Got another 3 squashes here. 1, 2 and 3. And that's my tomatoes for this year. And then in there we have sunflowers. In there is a run of beans. At the back there is sweet peppers. And some more runner beans up there. Sunflowers in there. And I've got a feeling they're either sprouts or broccoli, but I lost the label. Flour mix in there, which is not doing a lot. The Oriental mix, which I sowed, I don't know, about a week ago, I think it was now. They've started to come through. Nice little mixture of stuff there. I can't really remember what it is. Oh, curly kale, yeah. Okay, and then runner beans in there, so that's about it. So yeah, I've done a few sort of more or less putting structures up down here today. Put that frame up there and the other one, and now that that's done, just got to hope that the things grow. So on that note, I'll catch you again, guys. Bye for now.